Creating an AI-driven video for earning purposes involves a combination of video production, artificial intelligence integration, and monetization strategies. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create an AI video for earning. Define your niche and target audience. Identify the niche or topic you want to focus on and determine your target audience. Understanding your audience helps tailor the content and AI technology to suit their preferences. Content planning. Develop a detailed plan for your video content, including the structure, script, visuals, and any interactive elements. Consider how I can enhance the content, whether through voice recognition, natural language processing, or personalized recommendations. AI integration. Choose the AI features you want to incorporate into your video. Common AI applications include voice recognition, language translation, sentiment analysis, recommendation systems, or chatbots. Depending on your expertise and resources, you may use pre-built AI tools or develop custom AI algorithms. Video production. Create or gather the necessary video footage, graphics, animations, and other visual elements for your video. Make sure the content aligns with your chosen niche and target audience. AI scripting and voiceovers. Use AI tools to generate scripts or provide voiceovers. AI-powered natural language generation tools can help create engaging and relevant scripts, while text-to-speech AI can generate voiceovers. Editing and integration. Combine the AI-generated scripts or voiceovers with your video content during the editing process. Ensure a seamless integration of AI elements into the overall video. Testing and feedback. Test the video to ensure that the features function correctly and enhance the overall viewing experience. Gather feedback from a small group of viewers to make necessary improvements. Monetization strategies. Consider different ways to monetize your AI video, such as advertisements. Integrate ads within the video or display them before, during, or after playback. Sponsorships. Partner with relevant brands or companies for sponsored content or product placements within your video. Subscription models. Offer a subscription-based service for exclusive AI-enhanced video content. Affiliate marketing. Promote affiliate products or services in your video description or through AI-powered recommendations. Donations or crowdfunding. Encourage viewers to support your content through donations or crowdfunding platforms. Publishing and promotion. Publish your video on relevant platforms, such as YouTube, Vimeo, or your own website. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other promotional channels to reach a broader audience. Track performance and optimize. Monitor the performance of your video, including views, engagement, and earnings. Use the data to optimize future videos and refine your monetization strategies. Remember to stay up to date with AI advancements and continuously evolve your strategies to keep your content in